ROJETechnologies, molecular diagnostic kits manufacturer. Viga, SARS CoV-2 and Influenza A and B molecular diagnostic kit. More information with less reactions. Reliable detection of all SARS CoV-2 virus variants, all currently known Influenza A serotypes, and all Influenza B lineages, just in a single reaction tube. Control of the whole diagnostic process including sampling, viral RNA extraction, reverse transcription and PCR amplification. Containing 3 primer sets that target the RNA of SARS-CoV-2, Influenza B and Influenza A viruses separately. Simplifies laboratory workflow. Suitable for most qPCR cyclers. Fast and reliable results. Containing all components for PCR amplification. Be fluid. ROJETechnologies.